हेलो एवरीवन। मैं आज आपको सेल्फ़ लव के बारे में बताऊंगी। जो ये प्रैक्टिसेस मैंने स्टार्ट की 2020 से अपने आप पे काम करके, और मुझे उसमें सफलता मिली। तो क्यों ना आप लोग भी उसको ट्राई करके आपकी स्ट्रक पोजीशन से, या आप कहीं पे भी अटक गए हो, उसमें से बाहर निकल सकते हो। इन 2020 मेरे साथ भी ऐसा हुआ। मैंने 2019 में अपना सैलून खोला। इसमें मैंने अपनी सब इनकम सेविंग्स जो भी है वो डाल दी। After 35 years of working in the beauty and hair industry, I have take courage to open salon in 2019 in September. But in March, due to COVID, the entire industry has suffered, and I have also decided that it is not worth opening and continue salon, because at that point of time no one is coming at the salon for any treatment or services. So I have shut down my salon. I have lost my savings, everything in this, and on that time I was totally depressed that now what to do. I have invested all my life income in that, and done, you can say I have lost everything financially, mentally, emotionally. I was totally into depressed position. Then I have learned all occult sciences online, and numerology, tarot card reading, every healing modalities like Reiki, Lama Fera, everything, life coaching. And from all this modalities, I found that self-love practices gives you more confidence. You can come out of your depressed positions when you are on the right path, and whenever you appreciate everything, you can become more confident from inside. So automatic you will spread happiness around, and this has literally helped me. I started writing, journaling every day, gratitude for everything whatever I have at this point of time. And I found that is this is work very well with all the depressed situations I have suffered. So that is also there. And other thing also, that you go for a walk, come with the positive thoughts in mind, connect with the nature, talk to the plants and trees. They are also your friend. They are also giving you response about the what you are feeling. When you talk with them, you realize that they are also very friendly with you, and they give you the answers what you want in your life. So be with nature and never feel alone. You are there. Your self is your friend. So think over it. You can work upon it, and self love practices will definitely help you in life, and you will come out from your stuck position. Is anything more you require, you just connect with me or DM me on my Insta page at the rate Innovative Tarot Trupti. I will definitely help you in certain things you want, where you want to have accountability partnership. You can just connect with me. Thank you.